we go.
So how many of you guys have been in bumper-to-bumper traffic before? So all of us, okay. So has Elon Musk, and that's why he created, or that's the day that he created a concept called the Hyperloop. He created the company called the Boring Company, and the Boring Company's goals are to cut tunneling costs in order to relieve traffic congestion on roads and highways all across the U.S. The Boring Company is making advancements in the efficiency of transportation and machinery as we know it by bringing a new and exciting concept called the Hyperloop into reality. Today I want to talk to you guys about 3 different things: what the Hyperloop actually is, the efficiency of the Hyperloop, and the machinery that goes into tunneling for the Hyperloop. So to start off, I'm going to talk to you guys about what the Hyperloop is. And here are a couple images. That's kind of a concept made-up image, but this is the real thing. According to theboringcompany.com, 2018, the Hyperloop is an underground rail system that has 0 emissions and is very high, travels at very high speeds. And according to the Journal of Industrial Ecology, 2018, there actually is no set standard that could be considered like high speed, but in Europe, it's kind of widely accepted 145 miles an hour to 205 miles an hour. And so the combination of both the high speed and the fact that it's ran off electricity make this one of the, are going to make this one of the most efficient means of transportation around. And this brings me to my next point, the efficiency of the Hyperloop. So this is the Hyperloop here. And then there's some other things like a car, a motorcycle, an airplane, a train, and this is the Model S Tesla. And then also another thing they're going to do is like a passenger vehicle inside of a Hyperloop, but that's kind of down the road. But as you can see, the energy per passenger journey is very low compared to the rest of the things. So according to the American Society of Civil Engineers, 2018, the Hyperloop will provide the public with an alternative to conventional means of travel such as airplanes or driving cars on roadways. The Hyperloop is actually going to be traveling at about speeds of 700 miles an hour, so it's really, really fast. According to a study done at Cornell University in 2018, the Hyperloop, to travel from Washington, D.C. to New York by car takes about 5 hours. But on the Hyperloop, it's only going to take 30 minutes. So it's going to be really fast and pretty efficient. And this brings me to my next point, like what kind of machinery goes into building these tunnels for these really fast cars. And these are called tunnel boring machines, hence the name, the Boring Company. But if you see the red or the blue, that's the front of the machine, which actually goes in the tunnel and kind of digs it out. According to railsystem.net, a tunnel boring machine is a machine that digs out, it's a long cylindrical machine that digs tunnels underground pretty efficiently and really quickly. And then according to Teslarati.com, the Boring Company's TBMs are actually different than conventional TBMs because they're ran off electricity, and electricity comes from Tesla batteries. So they're actually 3 times as powerful, as efficient than conventional TBMs. I've now told you everything that I know about the Boring Company. I talked today about so what the Hyperloop actually is, the efficiency of the Hyperloop, and the machinery that goes into building the routes for the Hyperloop. And you know, the Boring Company is making advancements in in the efficiency of transportation and machinery as we know it by bringing a new and exciting concept called the Hyperloop into reality. And if you guys would like to delve a little deeper into the subject, you could visit theboringcompany.com, check that out, or you could be one of the first to ride the actual Hyperloop in Los Angeles. It's called the Dugout Loop, and the end point is at Dodger Stadium. So, thank you.